everyone, today is Anya. I know I just did 2 videos, but my dad kept pausing them and we talked to Grandpa. Hopefully we're all ready now, so let's get started. We already got our strawberries, which is all ready because we didn't even want to do nothing with them. And we got bacon and our bread and peanut butter. So since our knife is all done with the strawberries, I'm gonna start licking it and then we're gonna put some peanut butter on and wipe it on the bread. Nice and clean. Okay, anyway, we're gonna put these over here now. Put this over here. So here's my bread and here's my peanut butter, which my mom uses for, my peanut butter toast in the morning. I really like peanut butter anyway. So let's get some peanut butter. And remember, we're not pausing this video, so you might want to see the whole thing. So here I go. We're just gonna do it on one, and then we're gonna put the other one that hasn't been peanut butter onto the one that has been peanut butter. I don't want to use all my peanut butter because I like to eat French toasts almost every single morning. But today I didn't because I got a cinnamon roll, which is more better. I didn't eat a cinnamon roll because I ate a chocolate brownie there. They do like cupcakes, like chocolate brownies and cinnamon rolls. My baby sister does not like chocolate, so she doesn't eat chocolate brownies, worst of all. And so she just ate a vanilla, a vanilla croissant. I mean, what I just told you. Got a little bit of some peanut butter. Remember, I'm the peanut butter girl. If you're peanut butter, I'll eat you. So right now we're just spreading it, and my dad's not gonna pause this anyway. I hope. And because this is a kid's cooking show, I know how to cook this thing. We're not using an oven. My dad cooked it with bacon though. He makes the best bacon ever. It's the best. Hey, come over to my dad's house. He'll make you the best bacon ever. You'll just scream your life off. And so here, we'll get some over here. I think this is enough peanut butter, which we need the knife because I'm gonna cut it in pieces. Well, not in so many pieces, just a couple. I love peanut butter. I could just say peanut butter so many times. All done. Now we're gonna put it onto the sandwich and hold it on for a couple minutes, so then it gets nice and smooth. Because we want to make sure it's the right size. And then we're going to watch a movie after our treat anyway, because it's just me and my dad and my baby sister, because my mom's at work, even though it's a weekend on Monday. We're usually supposed to have weekends on Sunday and Saturday, but we just get to have it on Monday too. Even though on Friday we're going to have a vacation, but I have to go to school for a half a day or something, and then we'll go on our vacation. We're just gonna pack in the morning and then, like that. I'm gonna put the strawberries onto my plate and then we'll be as soon as done. But we still have to cut my sandwich, what I'm gonna do right now. My dad says to me, since I know how to cut now, you always have to use the front because that's the sharpest. And if you can't get the other part, then you cut it again with the sharp part, which I'm not cutting down. There we go. That goes right there. This goes right here. I bet this is gonna be good. It must be nice and clean. And then, see my strawberries right here. I'll put them on the camera. See, we're gonna put it on over here, which I like to scooch that on the side. And then I'll put on my strawberries. Oh my God, they're falling. It's like that they don't even want to come to the pate. I'll pick them up. And then we'll get back to the other strawberries. Usually my dad will give me half of strawberries, which if you cut them in little pieces, but since it's my wedding, I'm just gonna give myself all the strawberries. And then if I'm full, I'll save some for tomorrow morning. Since I think there's only 2 more strawberries left. I don't want that to happen. But if I eat all of them, there's not gonna be so many strawberries tomorrow morning. Or 3. I don't know, because my mom uses lots of strawberries and almost every single day she goes shopping. And then if she actually did that, our house would be full with food. And we couldn't even fit it in our freezer. Oh my gosh, some of them just fell in. Oh my gosh, not the cap. Here, that goes with the peanut butter cap. And I'll pick up the strawberries and just put them right in my mouth. Their strawberries are good. So, we'll put these things on the side. First, I'm going to start with my bacon, and then I'll tell you guys how it tastes like. Because, like, these are, like, so good when I eat these things. But I think we're going to go in a circle first. So first, we're going to go with our sandwich, then the strawberries, then bacon. So first, I think I might go with this one. It's just peanut butter, remember? I know what peanut butter and bread tastes like anyway. I'm just not gonna tell you. I'm gonna have it with a crust too. So when I first ate it, like I'm like burnt, and like it's just crunchy for the side of the bread, you know, the crust, and then the soft part, the white part, it feels so soft. And I think that's a A+, because you just love bread and peanut butter. Okay, now, second are strawberries. I might have a little bit of some juice with this, like a chocolate shake, and I might show you guys how to make it after this episode. Tastes soft and sounds when I eat it. And I think I'm ready for the bacon. Like, I love bacon in my life. Like, almost every single Saturday and Sunday, I eat bacon with peanut butter, which is yummy. Nice and crunchy. No. How do you say that?
Crunchy.
Crunchy. It's so hard to say. It feels like that. So, if you're gonna follow me on this episode, then do a big thumbs up and see this on Facebook, which is gonna be fun. Bye. And now I'm gonna make the next episode.